Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame video on CapCut PC. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to create or open any project you want in CapCut application, and then you need to import any video you want. After that, you need to press and hold on this video right up here and then drag it into this timeline. After that, you need to click on this video in timeline, and then you need to find this list of tools right up here. After that, you need to find this option, freeze, and after that, all you need to do is to click on this option. And then, as you can see, this video appeared right up here. If you want, you can increase this video, you can move it like this, you can change scale, rotation, for example, and that's all. And that's how to freeze frame video on CapCut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.